I've always been intrigued in exploring my fears, and today is the day to tackle them. Well, at least one of them. I had no idea what to expect really. Just me, my car, and the beautiful sound of the ocean. I parked right by the beach, set up my little space, and tried to make it feel homely for the night. It was quiet, peaceful, and a little uncomfortable, but kind of magical in its own way. So I am in a beach car park that's free. And this is a very popular spot that people go parking up, like for van life. I don't know. So I managed to actually get a spot. There's 2 vans and 2 cars here, including myself. And yeah, I'm really lucky that I got a parking space. So I didn't really have a plan for this trip. No itinerary, no checklist. All I knew was I wanted to experience what it's like to sleep in my car and spend a night surrounded by nature. I definitely packed way more than I needed. Looking back, I think that was my way of trying to control the unknown, to feel a little more prepared for something I've never done before. There's something a bit intimidating about not knowing how the night will go. If I'll be warm enough, comfortable enough, or even if I'll sleep at all. So my car is a mini SUV. The space was pretty tight, but I did my best to create a setup that felt cozy, even if it wasn't perfect. And honestly, you guys, I think that was the point. Not chasing the perfection, just being open to experience. I am really not comfortable right now. There's so much stuff, and it looks really dark in here right now because I put like the covers on, like these ones, because I've got a car right next to me and another car literally right next to me. I don't want them looking in the windows whilst I sort myself up. Anyways, I'm basically just in the middle of sorting out the stuff right now. I forgot my pillows at home. I had to go to Sainsbury's and I just got these ones. These are just the silent night ones, and I just got some pillowcase just to go with it. I'm just gonna sort the bedding out, and this is getting really stressful. But the view is amazing. Ooh. These are just plain old pillows because I want a good night's sleep. Okay, so I'm now all set up. Got my pillows all ready, just relaxing now, watching the waves come in. It is getting really close now. I actually feel really warm in the car. It's very windy out there, but it's really nice and cozy in the car. I put all like the window privacy stuff because I don't know, there's quite a few people walking past, and yeah. I feel weird just laying in my car. This is my first time ever car camping, and I feel okay so far. It's very hard to maneuver around the car, but the view is just insane, just so beautiful. I spent a lot that evening just watching the waves roll in, letting the sound of the ocean settle me. The sunset painted the sky with the most beautiful colours, and for a moment I was completely still, just taking it all in. There was something about the quiet, the solitude. It truly felt peaceful, grounding. I was in awe, not just of what I was seeing, but of how calm I felt in the middle of it all. Okay everyone, I've got my big hoodie on and I've changed into my PJs. The sun's going down, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna go and make myself some food now. And I saw that rock over there. I think I'm gonna use that just to shelter the cooker from the wind, because the wind is literally insane right now. So for dinner, I really wanted to try cooking something simple on the beach. Nothing too fancy, just something I could enjoy in the moment. So I ended up making barbecue beef tacos. And honestly, they turned out so good, you guys. And obviously, I added my own little twist. I don't know what it is, but there's just something about cooking your own food outdoors, with the ocean in front of you and the sun setting in the background. It just makes everything taste better. It's not just a meal, it's a whole feeling, a vibe, you know? So I am really cushy. I'm inside the sleeping bag, I got a blanket and I've got this on. I'm actually pretty warm right now. So I've all stealthed up, I've covered everything in the car. I'm just listening to the waves right now and it's crazy. It feels like it's just about a feet away, but it's not. It's further than that. Yeah, it's just been so nice and relaxing and I will definitely go back here again. It's so beautiful. I can feel the wind literally rocking the car. I did have problems with putting the alarm on in my car, so I think I kind of pissed off my neighbours a little bit. Probably, but it's my first time sleeping in my car. Anyways, I am gonna just go to sleep now. Good morning everyone. I have to kind of stay quiet because I've got next door neighbours on either side of me sleeping right now. I've made myself a coffee and it's still very early in the morning. It's about 5 I think. I'm just enjoying this morning bit, just looking at the sea. It was seriously so cold this morning. The wind speeds were around 30 miles per hour, and yeah, I definitely felt it. To be honest with you, I thought about skipping the dip, but I knew I'd regret it if I didn't. The second I stepped into the water, it hit me. Freezing, cold, straight to the core. But once you're in, it's honestly the best feeling in the world. It wakes you up instantly and it gives you a weird boost of energy. I'm sure you guys know, but cold water swimming isn't easy. But there's something about it that keeps me coming back. It's like a reset. Uncomfortable, but worth it every single time. That was so cold. Yeah. I don't even know what to say. Well, that's really woken me up. Okay, I got changed. It is so cold today and so windy. I think obviously it made it colder because of the wind. My hair is still so wet, my whole body's cold, but being inside there's a really nice big fluffy duvet and a blanket is warming me up. I'm gonna make another coffee, watch the sea for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head home. So I think the whole day is just gonna be pretty much cloudy, so, but we did see a really nice sunset yesterday, so that's the main thing. I'm now going home. I'm definitely gonna do this again. It's been so fun, so relaxing. My family even wants to go with me next time because it's just the scenery, like, especially where I live, it's very hard to find a place that you can literally car camp right in front of the beach. Like, it's very rare. Hopefully I get to do more car camps like this in the future. Near future, hopefully.